Yeah, we're out here in Lindstrom, Minnesota in our Morning Sun development doing an open house. We've got two models open today. We've got this one in front of us, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath Bellaire model with 1744 on the square footage. And then right next door is the Eveline, 1412 on the square footage, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. So we're going to walk through this one because this is a newer model. If you haven't seen the Eveline, you can see other video tours on our Morning Sun page or our Cambridge Heritage Greens page. But for the Bellaire, first bedroom right there. Coming down the entryway hallway, we've got our first bathroom, actually our second bathroom, but a full bath. And second bedroom. And laundry room with some linen cabinets and a sink. And then the kitchen, dining, and living room. Off this way is the garage and the mechanical room. So, what makes this one special? Well, obviously 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, everything's on one level. 1,744 square feet to be exact. You got the open floor plan over here, 9-foot ceilings, which is nice. And then the laundry between the bedrooms. The master is a nice large master bedroom. Plenty of room. And we've got a large walk-in closet right off the entry. And then the glorious master suite. So we got dual vanities and what we call is the roll-in shower. So you'll see there's no lip on that shower. We're in Morning Sun, which is out in Lindstrom. This model sells for, well, you'll have to call us to find out. But there's plenty more lots out here to build on, as you can see. We just had a buyer walk in that is building the one over off in the distance. That's going to be an Eveline with a 3-car garage. And so that's pretty exciting. He was very appreciative of our similar homes process. So if you'd like to experience that on your next home, give us a call. 763-762-9322. And we'll be glad to help you build your next home.